10 lines on emu bird. Emu bird is a flightless bird. It is the second largest living bird in the world. It is native to Australia. It has stout body and long legs. It prefers to live in woodlands, forests, grasslands, and scrublands. It has two sets of eyelids, one for blinking and the other for keeping the dust out. It has sharp eyesight and hearing senses. It can store fats in its body to survive during food scarcity. The male emu incubates the eggs and cares for the chicks. Female emus are larger in size than male birds. Thanks for watching.